Good evening, everybody. It's me, Sparkle Dump. I sold a couple things today. I wanted to show them to you and do as usual, show me packing them up. Let me get in the light. There you go. I'm going to sell this someday. I just don't want to go through the trouble of packing it up. But it is pretty cool. My Uncle Chip told me what it was. I bought it at an auction. I didn't earn that, nor did I kill a creature. Anyway, I sold a few things. I'm going to show you what I got. About 2 months ago, I purchased a bunch of model trains, new in box, vintage old stock, vintage new old stock, and I sold something that was very valuable. I had to list it at $200 and I ended up selling it for $100 because it's been up there for about 2 months and I still made an insane profit on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it is. Okay, so here's the train box. Gonna open this bad boy, and it is this thing right here. This is it. This is the Ho scale locomotive Harriman Consolidation. So Harriman Consolidation would be the company that was selling this. David Lee's Circus. Now, there's a longer name on eBay that I'll show you when I actually get it pulled up, but here's my collection of trains that I have left. I've sold 3 of them. This is the 4th. So that's the model train there. And the second thing I sold is this thing here. It's an LED upgrade combo for a mini mag light. I guess it just makes things a lot brighter than the original. I didn't buy this at an estate sale or at an auction. My brother passed away, and this is one of the things in his inventory that he used to sell on eBay, so I thought I'd do him the honor. It was in his stuff, so I assumed he was going to sell it, but you never know. But anyway, it sold, and this sold for $10, and they paid for shipping as well, so 100% profit. Lastly, what sold, and I haven't recorded this yet. I was gonna say I haven't videotaped it yet, which shows my age. But I've uploaded a few videos about this, about all these old craft supplies that I won at auction, and I promised you in one of the videos I was going to do a walkthrough of what I got specifically, which I plan on doing still. But one of the things I sold was one of the listings that I put up on eBay and Etsy is this rainbow thread. Now, I've got a ton of it in this box. This is all vintage. It is all from the 1960s. It is in original packaging, in mint condition. It is rainbow thread. Now, if you look really closely, you can see the fine detail and the craftsmanship. I don't want to zoom in too close. You won't be able to see it. But this is metallic thread, made in Japan, 50 yards worth per spool. Each case comes with 12. Now, the interesting thing is some of these are labeled as metallic thread, while others are labeled as, let's see what they say here. Some are labeled as this: elastic cord, color, multi, length 50 yards. This is metallic thread, color, multi, length 50 yards. The exact same product, branded 2 different ways. I'm wondering if they weren't successful with one or the other. Anyway, I've been listing these and selling these in packs of 3. Now, I had them listed as single spools for a while, wasn't getting any sales. One of the customers asked if I could do any better and give her a deal, and I said, yeah, I could. I said, how about 3 for the same price? And she jumped on it. So I've upped my listing to 3 for the same price, and I'm still making an insane profit because this box cost me $10. And I drove to pick it up, and I risked my life. So I'm going to pack these 3 up as well. And these sold on Etsy. So I'll make a good thumbnail for the video. I'm not sure how successful this view is going to be. I've got a little mount, so I'm going to try to show me actually packing the box, and maybe I do a time lapse. It'd be more entertaining. 1 second. Well, I hope that time lapse worked out and looks cool. Probably not, though. So here's a little tiny flashlight thingy. Here's the 3 spools of thread, which I kind of mangled the packaging, unfortunately. Tried to do a better job. And I knew this was going to come in handy. This is the laptop box. My family all pitched in and got my mom a new Mac for Christmas, new Mac laptop, and this train set fits in here perfectly. So, whoop-de-doo. I was going to use a priority mail box, but then I have to pay like $16 shipping for a medium flat rate, which I'm not going to do. So we'll see what I can do on this guy. All right, so I didn't bore you guys with packing up the other 2, but I did pack up the other 2, and now I'm going to go into eBay, and let's see. I wanted to show you guys the listing and give you the proper name for this train set that's, just got an offer for a candle. Let's see what this offer says. The offer is $24.99. I'm going to accept that. Accept the offer. I love it when I'm recording a video and I get an offer for something. It's great. Okay, so this is the guy that sold. Let me turn my computer or my phone around. So this is it. So new in box, which is NIB, hose scale, roundhouse products, locomotive kit, David Lee's Menagerie and Circus. So this is the product that's in the box. It's a customizable train kit that's branded David Lee's Roadshow. And all my research online, this was very, very rare. And the last one sold on a toy website for about $300. Now, unfortunately, I'm in the business of flipping, so that's a good thing. But unfortunately, I need to kind of sometimes bite the bullet and take a profit. And I'm getting a big profit on this. I would have liked to have gotten double the profit because it historically has sold for more. But again, it has been sitting for a couple months. Now you can see this is an unpainted steel train. It's going to make a great piece in someone's collection. All of it in its original packaging still. So I sold this guy free expedited shipping. I sold it for $190. I sold it for $99. It was listed for $199. So let's pack this bad boy up. All right, she weighs 3.16 pounds or 3 pounds, 1.6 ounces. So I'm going to round up to 2 ounces, and I'm going to set my phone down. So I'm going to measure this with one hand, which is fine. So this is 17 inches tall by 13.5 inches wide, 17 by 13.5 by 4. Sorry, 17 by 13.5 by 4. So let's see, custom size. 17 by 13.5 by 4, and it is 3 pounds, 2 ounces. Let's hit update. So USPS is only $8.20, which is an amazing deal. Let's see what FedEx is. $8.31. So I'm actually getting a better rate, surprisingly, through priority mail, which I'm definitely going to take. So I'm going to print this bad boy, which means I can throw priority mail stickers all over this box, which look cool and look like I put a lot of work into it, which I did. And one of these days I want to show you guys, like the amount of work I put into this. I'm trying to streamline it and do less work because time is money, but I really enjoy it. I'm doing this more because I enjoy doing it. I want to make money. I at least want to break even. If I break even, it's just a really good hobby. If I make money, maybe it turns into a small business. Obviously, I don't want to be stupid and lose money. And obviously, I want to make money on this. But it's not the end of the world if I break even on something. Breaking even being after eBay, PayPal fees, and whatnot. So if I sell it for exactly what I bought it, I'm losing money, unfortunately. I need to sell it for 10%, probably more than what I bought it for to break even. All right. I like how I say fragile, handle with care, and I'm shoving it around. 1 second. All right, here's 1 day's worth of orders. I sold a customizable train set that's very rare. I took half the asking price, still made a big profit. I sold a little tiny LED upgrade for a mag light, and I sold 3 spools of, 60-year-old thread in mint condition. Now, I promise you that I am going to record a video walking you through all of the vintage hobby supplies that I bought. walk you through the store that I made on Etsy just to sell those. So I made a separate store called Vintage Hobby Supplies on Etsy just to sell the vintage hobby supplies. That's how many I have. And I'm excited to show that to you guys. That'll be a screen grab on my computer, so I'll just record my screen. You didn't need to know that, like it matters. Thank you for watching. I love you very much, and I'll talk to you again soon. I stole that from Boogie2988, that outro.